Are you a hunter or a gatherer? A maker of money?
Money. Yes.
Sounds good.
What is this?
You need to look where you're walking.
You need to look where you're walking. Quicksilvers.
There's a lot of like nothing.
So,
Huh? 5.
It's up in this prime and then look at the dino one.
dang.
Carlton.
How much are they asking?
Too much, but
Yeah, that's cool to see.
future reference.
In the head. Oh, look at these. I feel weird not having the fanny pack. Nice. Ask about it. The what?
The mobile signs?
Oh, yeah.
With the L in the little rollaway toolbox.
Oh, so it's just Moby?
Yes.
Not a little Care Bear Warhol. That's cute. These are cute. Oh, these are cute.
Morning.
Oh, man. How much do you want for these?
Yes.
We're set up.
How much?
Give me $4 for that.
What do you think?
If that's what you want, baby.
My niece, we had her room when she was little, Care Bear stuff. So we got this clock. We've got that other one. So
Oh,
if you
wow.
want all of it,
Yeah.
give me $15 for all of it.
Dang, let me see.
I like that clock.
Yeah, the clock is cool. It still works. It just needs a battery. It was in her room. She loved her Care Bear stuff.
I'll just do the watch.
Okay.
I'll just do the watch.
So it's just 10 for this.
Oh, for this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you do 7 for that one?
Give me 8.
8. I could do that for that. That's
Eight?
I got it back.
Yeah.
You can put it in. Yeah. Like I said, you can pull it apart. It's free.
What are you asking on your pocket right there?
But we
What are you
have.
asking on the Barcelona poster?
Yeah, it's $5.
$5?
You take that too?
You want to go up and grab
Alright. We'll do that.
You know what? Can I leave it here?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, just tell me when you
Yeah.
come back there.
Here, I'll pay for it right now.
No worries.
Wow. 2,000 price negotiable. That's cool.
Baby Keebler.
Oh, so cute. Precious. Oh, Betty's spaghetti.
Ahora la pieza, pásale todo barato, $1.
Oh, look how lovely this is.
Pretty big.
Look at this, love. This is actually super cute. I don't know. How much are the toys? $1? Yeah. This one. 2,000. This is actually super cool. It's a got milk production. I'll get these too. I like these. What do you got? I got 2 too.
Okay.
Good. It's just pretty. And then look, it's a ceramic got milk promo. Right? It's a sponge. Pen pals. Photo holder. Ah, that's so cute. Hey, it's a musical toothbrush.
You want it?
Kinda. And I got a little sponge as I'm picking up things I wouldn't ever pick up. Kangaroo cologne. Cute.
It's an attitude thing.
Ah,
$1.
nice. Is all this stuff too? All of it?
Yeah, pretty
Yeah?
much.
Oh, yeah. Girl talk. Dateline. Do you see this? Oh, he's right here. The talking dating game. Hee hee hee. But I don't know if it's complete. It doesn't look complete.
Squeeze that sponge to see if it'll deteriorate.
Well, it's not to be used.
Oh yeah.
It's not to be used, because then the thing's gonna come off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It'd be like someone, you know, just tell them when they buy it, like, I recommend for display. Look at bunny slippers.
You want them?
Yes. One more. I don't know how I didn't see these before. question is, do I keep the bunny slippers?
That's the real question.
That's the real question. Up for debate. Look at that headdress. Wow. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Let's do that. Looks clean. I'd ask about it.
See ya.
No. Okay. Want dos? Dos? $2, yeah? Oh, this is a nice
How many
one.
pieces? I think there's like 12, right? 12
That's
pieces.
nice.
This was place, but thing I don't know.
That's
I'll
great.
do 2 for $1.
Agarra ese. Sí, agárralo.
Oh, la pizza
Oh,
$1.
cheers. Oh, right on. Personal. Look at these. Got cheers. It's on the older tag. That one.
Yes.
Right? I like this. It's nice.
You hear her?
No?
She was like 5 for $2.
5 for $2. What the? Jesus. Tripping.
Yeah, that's the thing is like, not even in the store, like when you go to the store, like you can't say, oh, give me 10 for $1.
Exactly. We say that all the time.
And it's funny like how every weekend it's the same story.
Wait, and you get like pretty angry about
Right,
it.
I gotta meditate first, and then, so when it happens around this time, I already know.
Don't let it mess with your chi.
Yeah.
Try not
Thank
to
you
get
guys,
up today,
okay?
man. Watch the language, please. We are filming.
I guess
This,
it's over there?
yeah, all the way to the back.
Yeah. Some juicy cherry coffee. Caprice, $1.
Sure.
Yeah, can't go wrong with that.
This kid was playing with some breakable stuff, and this lady's like, "Don't play with that."
$5, or you take more of your.
How much you want for all of them?
If you take them all, I'll sell them to you for $3 a piece. There are some that are kind of expensive. 3 a piece. And at home I have 4 more that are made in Mexico or somewhere else. But I believe they are more expensive.
Isn't that cool? You're asking 40, but that's
They're
what
very,
it's
very
They're cool.
delicious.
for. Right?
But look at the stickers.
Yeah, no, but it's alright.
Yeah. They're fun.
Yeah, they are. You should put this in a better place. You should put this in a better place for people to see it.
Yeah.
40 wasn't a bad price.
For those telephones?
No, for the
Oh,
figures, but that's not enough meat on the bone, you know?
because you're selling them at what? Probably realistically, like,
$5 a piece.
yeah. Because people here get
And they're not like there's a couple like better people, like everybody else was like people don't remember, you know what I mean?
right. Right.
That's just what it was.
So if anything, you'd make like 10 on some maybe, and then 5 on the rest.
Not even, probably like $3.
I was really looking
What are you asking on these right here?
at least $10, maybe like it's all metal.
Sure. $5 a piece.
$5 a piece?
I'm gonna see if I offer 5 for 20. Did you do 5 for 20?
What, did you leave some in there?
Yeah, there's some in there.
Yeah, that's
Give me $20, love. Are you a hunter or a gatherer? A maker of money?
Money. Yes.
Sounds good. ¿Y este cuánto? 15? ¿Es lo menos? Yeah, I'll do that. Bird, give me 15. Robert Ory. Legend. Ory. The heck is silent. NBA courtside. Banjo Kazooie. Japanese. Some of these games are taking me back, love.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No worries, I'll just buy it in Faire.
Yeah, when you find stuff, it's not fun when you don't find anything.
That's a wrap, you guys. So we visited 2 different markets in the same day, spent $63 with an estimated profit of $647. If you're an LA local, check below and see what market will be at near you next, and our shop links below too. Thank you for stopping by.